Good morning or good afternoon, whatever time it is for you guys. It's currently 10 to 8 in the morning for me. Me and Norwegian have been up for a very long time. In fact, the whole night, trying to get a few things sorted. By now, you probably know what's going on with the server. I would hope. But instead of what I did last time, where I was showing it on stream at the beginning, I thought I'd do a little quick installation guide for anyone here, anyone who joins us in future as well. Hello, people of the future. Please excuse me if I do ramble, but I'll try and be as concise as possible with this. So the first thing we're going to need to do, the first thing we're going to want to do is get the Twitch app, is the first thing we're going to want. So all you need to do this is literally search Twitch app. In mine comes up as Bing, but yours might be Google or anything. Search Twitch app. There we are. Download the Twitch app there. That will download onto your computer. Download it wherever you want on your computer, as long as you know where it is. Once you've got that downloaded, you will have the Twitch app here. Obviously, you'll have to log in with Twitch, but you guys all have Twitch, or else you wouldn't be joining me. And once we have that, we want to go across to mods. So you have your games here that you have installed. I have Minecraft installed, as obviously you would too. Now, I already have it installed. Do ignore this one here. This is the more recent one. This is not the one that we're going to be using in order to get the plugins we want onto the server. And you guys like the plugins. We're going to be using an older version. So what we want to do, we want to go to Browse all mod packs. So at the top here, as soon as you click on Minecraft, you've got my mod packs. Browse all mod packs. If you're joining me and this is your first time downloading, you won't have any mod packs, so there'll be nothing on that screen at all. What we're going to do here, browse all mod packs. We're going to search Direwolf. Okay, and it's probably going to be the second one down, but what you are looking for is, you're looking for this one that says game version 1.7.10. Not this top one. This one is the most latest one. This one won't be what the server is on. The server will be on this one. There's no massive differences that you need to worry about too much. I've just logged in. I've just played 1.7.10 and it's good. It's fine. It's brilliant. Does exactly what you need to do. So we got this. So what are we going to do here? So you get onto this page. You want to click install. So the install button will start installing it, and I'm going to cancel my install, but it will start installing it onto your mods. Now from here, once it's all downloaded and you've got the play button here, you'll have a little drop down menu. So what I do from here, I don't know if this is the best way to do it, but this is how I do it and it works for me. So I'm going to tell you, and hopefully it will work for you as well, is we're going to go to view profile. So from here you'll be able to see everything along there. So this is literally all the stuff that you're looking for. You're looking for that it's on version 1.10. This is the version 1.10, obviously, of Direwolf. Minecraft, so you can ignore that. Sorry, I don't know why I read that part. Minecraft version 1.7.10. That's the key part. And the Forge. The Forge is the really key part. So what we need to do now, so we need to go across. I'm going to open a new one there. So we need to go across to Forge. Literally just search Forge Minecraft. It's going to bring it up. Forge Minecraft. And just, it's kind of like just searching for the right numbers to put in the right places, really. So Minecraft version 1.7.10. Minecraft version 1.7.10. Okay, and then luckily this is 10.13.4.1558, which is exactly this one here. Now, from what I've seen on previous experience with trying to install these things, I don't click on the Windows installer. There's probably a reason for that. Maybe it's the Windows version. I don't really know. I'm not some sort of expert with this. I barely know what I'm doing, but at least I know how to install them. So what I do is the installer button. You know, I don't know much, but I know the installer. Click on the installer. So when we click on the installer, it will take you to this page where you want to click on nothing whatsoever. It's one of those add pages. So we want to click on nothing. We want to go to skip, and it will bring this up for us to save. So we're going to save that. Save that. It's going to run a security scan on it. It's going to wait a second for us to do it. We open it. Okay, so it's just going to bring you to here, and you literally just want to press OK. That's it. You just want to press OK. Nothing else going on there. You don't need to do anything. It will tell you when it's done, and then you just press OK on that. Simple as it could be. Right, well, now that that's done, we have our download. I actually want this back up again. So we have our download, we have our forge, we have everything to fit these numbers into the right places. What's next? Well, the next step is we need to go over to these three little dots, this drop-down menu over here, and we're going to open folder. So this will be the actual folder location of what we have. Now, the reason we want to have this is that we want to actually get this working in our Minecraft launcher. So we're going to be using the Minecraft launcher, obviously, so that we can get skins and stuff, and so that it just works all nice and smooth. So we're going to open our Minecraft launcher, and we're going to have our direwolf up here. So you can see, obviously, there's my skin, launch options. So I have it in already. You won't. But what we want to do is we want to add new. So we're going to click on add new. You'll be brought to here. So add new, you're brought here. So this is where we're going to relay all our information into. So if we call this test, because we're very creative and we can come up with great names this early in the morning when we haven't slept. Test. Now our version, if you remember what version we want to be doing, you can open your Twitch thing again. So we want to be doing 1.7.10 and the forge that we've downloaded. So you will find that right at the bottom down here, because we've downloaded the forge. If you need to check back, do keep checking back on it, make sure you know. So you can see 1.7.10 there, 10.13.4 1558. That is exactly what we needed. So then we want to get the game directory, and this is why we open the folder. So the game directory, let's figure out where we are. So our game directory is going to be, well, this will be obviously different for you because your name's not Josh, but you should be saving it under your local disk, user, documents. If you're not, you can load it and you'll find your file location. You just follow this through, but mine is saved under my user and stuff like that. So we'd go just literally following this through. I would open it on my other screen, but I want to make sure that you guys can see it. Documents, so mine follows through to documents, curse, Minecraft, and then instances. This is going to be the key part, instances. Down here are all your folders of all your instances. If you've only got the one, which is the direwolf we just downloaded, you click on the direwolf, click on it there, keep it highlighted, and there we are. We've got it in there. There's the game directory. Now, in terms of the JVM arguments, this is where you can up your RAM, which I'm not 100% on how to do, but we can solve that now because I've actually got more RAM in my one. I just copy and pasted it from one that we're doing for a series on the channel. So I'll show you that. But that is basically all that done. That's got 1 GB of RAM in it. So it's got one. If you know how to up the RAM, you can probably stop the video here because you already know exactly what you're doing. But we'll save this. If you want to up the RAM, I'll go on to, this is actually the one that I'll be using. So it's basically here. Nothing changes past this side right here. So if you want to pause the video and you want to look a little more closely on this XMX, you probably don't want to set it to 6144 if you're using a lower spec computer. Probably anywhere between 3 and 4 will do you. But but you want to get it to around those settings. Obviously, there'll be people that can help you with this, or you can look at another video. This really isn't my knowledge base here. This is something that someone helped me do to set that up. But that's basically it. So we got our test down here. We got our release with our forge in it that we downloaded. Got our game directory, which is to the direwolf directory, and we've got, obviously it's currently got 1 GB RAM, and that might be fine for you, but if you do need to up it, do look at a video on how to up the JVM arguments, or just ask someone from stream, ask one of the Minecraft counselors, or ask something like that, ask a mod. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Hopefully that solved most of your issues with getting into the server. As I said earlier, you probably know by now that we are relaunching today, but I hope I haven't rambled on too much. I will see you all on the stream. Thank you very much again for joining me, and stay yeasty, guys. Catch you later. Bye bye.